Hello, I am Vivek Jambal, Lexis and Company member. My today's topic is, can Section 304A is a license to kill. So let's begin our topic. The original Indian Penal Code 1860 had no provisions providing punishment for causing death by negligence. Section 304A was inserted in the code in 1870 by Indian Penal Code Act 1870. This section did not create a new offence but was directed towards the offences which fall outside the range of Section 299 and 300 of Indian Penal Code 1860, when neither intention nor knowledge to cause death is present. So this is little bit introduction. Let's start the topic in detail. That is Section 304A. The said section reads as follows. 304A, causing death by negligence. Whoever causes the death of any person by doing any rash or negligent act not amounting to culpable homicide shall be punished with imprisonment or neither description for a term which may extended to 2 years or fine with both. So इसका मतलब ये है कि कोई भी ऐसा एक्ट जो किसी ने किया है बिना इंटेंशन के और उसको नहीं पता था कि उसका एक्ट कि किसी की जान ले सकता है, लेकिन वो एक्ट उसने किया है बाय नेग्लिजेंस मतलब उसका बिना ध्यान में रखे हुए. सो अगर किसी को नॉलेज नहीं है उस एक्ट की और उसने वो एक्ट किया है, नेग्लिजेंटली किया है और रैश किया है, तो वो सेक्शन 304A के लिए बुक होगा, ना कि वो कल्पेबल होमिसाइड और 299 और 300. So, the provisions of this section applies to cases where there is no intention to cause death, जहां पर कोई intention नहीं है, and no knowledge that the act done in all probably would cause death, और उसको knowledge नहीं है कि उसका act जो वो कर रहा है, जहाँ वो करेगा, वो किसी की death ले सकता है, वो किसी को मार सकता है. The Supreme Court has classified that the Section 304A of IPC is applicable only when death is caused due to rash and negligent act of accused, which is essential element to attract said provision. Supreme Court ने ये बोला है कि इस एक्ट को लागू करने के लिए, इस एक्ट को खिलाफ अगर किसी को बुक करना है तो किसी बंदे की जान जानी चाहिए, और वो कैसे जानी चाहिए? नेग्लिजेंटली और बाय रैश. अगर किसी बंदे की जान नहीं जा रही है और जो अक्यूज है उसने वो इंटेंशनली किया है, तो वो इस सेक्शन 304 के लिए बुक नहीं होगा, वो कल्पेबल होमिसाइड 299 और 300 के खिलाफ बुक होगा. सो बट ए कोलोसल ग्रुप ऑफ लीगल स्कॉलर्स हैव ऑलवेज क्वेश्चन्ड whether this section provides punishment for manslaughter without intention or it is a license to kill in disguise of rash and negligent act. This is a question by scholars, legal scholars. It is very much convincing that this section would have applicability where the act is in its nature criminal. Only the act done negligently or rashly invokes the validity of this section, and it cannot be applicable to result which prevails upon the act which could not have been anticipated. While discussing the scope of this section as a license to kill, one may conceive that the term rash classifies the various events and acts in road accidents, mishandling of hazardous materials or lethal weapons, etc. While the term negligent can be associated with the acts of professionals like medical practitioners or pharmacists, etc. But the different levels of judiciary have from time to time defined and premeditated the applicability of this section, ensuring it doesn't create a defensive ground for people to commit homicide. So this section deals with homicide by negligence and covers that class of offences where death is caused neither intentionally nor with the knowledge that the act of the offender is likely to cause death, but because of rash and negligent act of the offender. This clause limits itself to rash and negligent acts which cause death but falls short of culpable homicide of other description. When any of the two elements, namely intention or knowledge, is present, this section has no application. अगर कोई भी फैक्ट में या फिर इंटेंशन या फिर नॉलेज, यानी कि अगर बंदे की इंटेंशन किसी इसकी अक्यूज की किसी की इंटेंशन है उसको मर्डर करने की, उसको मारने की, या फिर उसको पता है कि उसका एक्ट उसकी जान ले सकता है दूसरे बंदे की, तो ये एप्लीकेबल नहीं होगा सेक्शन 304A। फिर वो कल्पेबल होमोसाइड 299 के होगा। 300 सेक्शन 300 फिर लागू होगा। When any of the two elements, then this section has no application. अगर ये दोनों हैं applicable तो this section will not applicable. क्या दो elements? Intention और knowledge. Intentional shooting at fleeing person and hitting someone else to death comes under section 300 of IPC. Read with section 301 of IPC. It is not a negligent act so as to come under section 304A. This section applies to rash and negligent act and does not apply to cases where death has been voluntarily caused. जब डेथ किसी की वॉलंटरीली कॉज्ड हो या फिर इंटेंशनली कॉज्ड हो तो ये सेक्शन एप्लीकेबल नहीं होगा. This makes it clear that there can be no circumstances when one's act can be read into particular section in order to avail him the benefit of not being charged under the section 299 to 302 of the IPC. Thus, it's clear that the fact which must be proven in the order to invoke the applicability of section are essentially three facts. There, इसका मतलब three facts चाहिए हैं. वो क्या three facts हैं? First, किसी की death of a human being. Second, the accused caused the death. Accused जो कि defendant है उसने उसको death की है किसी की. Third, the death was caused by doing a rash or negligent act, though it does not amount to culpable homicide. और जो तीसरा मेन एसेंशियल एलिमेंट है इसका कि उसने वो एक्ट रैशली और नेग्लिजेंटली किया है, ना कि उसको नॉलेज थी उस एक्ट की, ना कि उसको नेग्लिजेंटली किया है, ना कि उसने इंटेंशनली किया है और उसको नॉलेज भी नहीं थी, तब ये एप्लीकेबल होगा सेक्शन 304A of IPC. So in simple we can say that three essential elements needed. First is killing of someone means human being. Second, the accused killed someone. Third, accused does not have any knowledge or he does not have intention to cause death to another person. He caused the death by intentional mind or by having knowledge of the act, that he have the knowledge of the act and he causes the death to another person. If any person have intention or have knowledge, then he will charge for section under 300, that is culpable homicide, not under section 304A. So hope you understand this topic. Thank you.